This is a video to go over the bibliography portion of our research paper, and this is just to use MyBib. MyBib is a website that is going to just save everyone a lot of time and a lot of headache. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your web browser and you're going to type in mybib.com, MyBib. Okay. And I do not have the students sign into accounts. I just tell them to keep it open, and it continues to be a working document. If they want, they can push new project and put science project, but it's not necessary. The next thing is that you need to make sure that you're an MLA. So obviously there's a lot of different styles for citing, but we are doing MLA. The next thing is you're going to select new citation for every resource that you use. All students are required for 5th grade to have 10 resources. The more the better, though. The more the better. So don't be limited to 10. 5 of those must be books, and the other can be other resources. So we want them to utilize books. So the first thing is, is for the book, you would select book. But I do want to draw your attention, if you're typing in a website, they could just easily come up here, click on the website address and push Command C. Come down here and paste it, and it will automatically do it. Okay, so it makes it very easy, especially if you're using a website resource. Books, we are not using the website. The examples that we're going to be providing in class is, the first one is Super Simple Chemistry. Excuse me. And you want to make sure that you have the correct book. So you'll click on it, make sure you have the correct authors, the title of the book, make sure you have the right published date, especially with science. They update them as they go. Publisher, publishing place, ISBN. All this information is located at the front of your book cover or on the very back. And they'll give you a preview. You push save and it appears. Then they'll go to their next citation. Again, we're going to do a book. We're going to do Science Dictionary for kids. Now this one has popped up because I've used it before, but as you can see, there are a lot of science dictionaries for kids, so you want to make sure that you have the correct one. Now, as you can see, this one says year 2009 and year 2021. The book that I'm using is a year 2021. And we can double check everything. Publisher place, I could add information. So if you can add more information, that's even better. You can even put in the page range that they use. So for instance, for this one, we're going to use pages, 54 to 56. Okay. And it will automatically update it. Okay. You push save. And the great thing about MyBib, it puts it in correct order. Now, once they have all of their citations, they will be writing these in the back of their science journal, and they will be adding them to their works cited page that we will have in their Google Docs. The easiest way for them to do that is to select each citation that they need, go up here to the 3 lines. It says copy selected bibliography entries. It copies it. You go over to your Google Docs and you push Command V, which is a shortcut for paste. I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to getting started on our research.